Hey there, Binge Bug with Bug Outdoor Stormwater Solutions. Today we're going to be installing silt sacks on catch basins. We're on a warehouse site here where a lot of trucks come in and out. And we want to make sure that we're protecting the watershed in the area. One of the ways that we do that is by using silt sacks. This particular one is ACF. It is an adjustable frame, and this thing is going to go into catch basins and it will collect sediment. It will absorb some of the oils that are coming off of these trucks. But let's take a look a little bit closer at what we're trying to do here. So as we look at our catch basins here, we notice that the stormwater pond is right behind these catch basins, which means there's a pipe that connects to these two catch basins, goes through the slope here and down to this concrete structure where we've got some other problems going on that we're addressing for this property, but that's a video for another time. We want to make sure that water going into this detention pond is clean because it's dumping out directly into a stream that runs through these woods. So part of protecting this is to catch pollutants as they're going into the catch basins. Here's what I mean by that. You got cigarette butts out here. Looks like a place where people like to stand, probably smoke a cigarette and overlook the water there. And that cigarette butt is probably, and sometimes intentionally, sometimes unintentionally, being thrown down into our catch basin here. So we want to make sure that we're protecting that. We also got grass where they're mowing the yard, blowing grass clippings. Grass clippings are going to get in there. When we look at these catch basins, they're not horribly dirty. Again, the proper thing to do is to keep them clean. The other issue that we want to be aware of is that on this site, there is a trash dumpster. We don't want to have dumpsters where trash that doesn't make it into the dumpsters now going into our stormwater, clogging things up, making things more difficult for the property management. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how we install these adjustable silt sacks. So we look down into our catch basin, we're going to see a highly visible yellow filter. So you'll notice that the frame sits right underneath that grate. It is designed to catch sediment, all right? So to put these in and forget about them doesn't work. They need to be inspected and cleaned out on a routine basis. So again, this particular silt sack is no longer being made, but you can find similar items to it. But some key components is you've got this absorption filter, a non-woven filter in the bottom. It's got holes in it. That's because this sack is going to get full of sediment over time, and then to allow water to go out as it fills up. And then of course this mesh will allow water to go out as well. These are Velcroed in, and then these handles are to help pull this thing out when we're trying to get this filter cleaned out. Again, these are reusable, so keep them in place. They're not always designed to be a permanent BMP, but as long as they're working and not cut, not wearing out, they can stay in that same place. That just means that you have to take care of them and make sure that you're cleaning them out appropriately.